Welcome back to Unforgettable Creations. Today I'll be showing you how to make a custom coloring book using Publisher. You can use these measurements with any other software that you have. So let's get started. Okay, first what I'm going to do is go to Page Design, Margins, hit None, go to Insert, Shape, Rectangle. The height will be 8.5, the width will be 5.5. This is my front and back page. So I'm going to go to Shape Fill, Picture, Browse. Get my background. I'm going to right click, copy and paste. So I have my front and my back. I'm going to shape fill, outline, no outline for both. Okay. Insert pictures. I'm going to get my pictures that I have already saved. Insert them. And I'm going to also get my street sign. So with this one first, I'm going to hit Format, Recolor, Set Transparent. And I'm just going to resize it. I'm going to go to Insert, Online Pictures, Sesame Street, Characters, PNG. Unclick that arrow. Get this image, resize it. Make sure everything is on the page. Insert word art. Resize it. Or you can hit Control, click on both of those, align, center. Okay. Get this picture, put it over here. Also copy this again, paste, word art, edit text. Break that up some. grab that. Okay. Play with some colors, shape fill, sample fill. Again, shape outline, sample fill. Okay, we're gonna do those same colors, paint bucket and outline. One more paste for the word art. Change it to barcode. And do unforgettable creation. That one did have an effect, which was a shadow, so I'm going to take that off right now. No shadow. Play with the colors with that. And put that there. So now we have our front and our back. So now we can start inserting the coloring pages. Hit insert, page, blank page. Go to your coloring page, hit format, stick the arrow right there, unlock that, and just hit. And you're going to do that for the rest of these pages. Again. Once you see this up and down and across, you know that your pages are correct. Both of them are centered and they're even. I got these coloring pages off Google and these activity pages as well. And this is your coloring page. Coloring book, I'm sorry. So your front, your back, it would be folded in half. Your front and back. I do double-sided. If you like the video of seeing me assemble a coloring book, comment down below under this video so I will be able to do that. My next video I will be doing will be in PicsArt. I will be showing you how to make your regular picture into a coloring book. So you will be able to customize that as well and put that in your coloring book. So that will be my next video. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, subscribing to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.